She's pissed. She is pissed. You know why she's pissed? I know exactly why she's pissed, because it's the same reason I'm pissed. So I'm at Coca-Cola, right? Being all covert and shit. They take 47,000 years, and it always looks like nobody's here. Like the zombie apocalypse happened or the rapture happened. For some reason, I'm left. And there's never any, like, doorbell. So I'm just here for, like, la, 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 la. I'm going to start opening up people's packages just, like, to pass the time. Hello? Hello, Coca-Cola? The longing.